Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be providing a market update on Looksrare and going over where I think this is headed. So if you are new to the channel and you want to show some support, please leave a like and subscribe. So in my last video, I discussed how I was very bullish on the fundamentals behind this project, and the project is one of my favorites, considering that I do like NFTs a lot, and I think the marketplace they're building over there is great. I like how they respond to the community, and it shows that the team actually cares. And I do appreciate the fact that they're rewarding the community with trading rewards. So I talked a lot about the fundamentals in my last video, and it was roughly published around here, and I said that this downward resistance was pretty dominant, and if you want to be bullish on this, as far as the price action goes, you want to see this downward resistance broken, and if we can start moving back up, closing above these previous lower highs, then that would be obviously very bullish for the price chart. But we were unable to do that. We came back up and rejected once again at this resistance, and since then came back down. So I would attribute this move largely to what Bitcoin did. We saw Bitcoin drop to the low $25,000 level, and that was on this wick here where Looksrare went all the way down to 50 cents. So in general, when Bitcoin's making those very bearish moves, it is very hard for altcoins to hold their supports and break out of their resistance zones. But I think with the long term, I would consider accumulating and DCAing in a pretty decent strategy, considering that you can earn Looksrare rewards by staking it on their platform, which I really think is a great tool for people who are trying to invest in the long term. As well as I would consider that taking a DCA approach where you buy some in here, and then if it goes lower you buy some more, if it goes lower you buy some more, and just kind of continue that process. But I wouldn't jump all in right now, considering that it is at the verge of price discovery to the downside. So if Bitcoin were to go back down to the low $25,000 level, or even below to say $20,000, then obviously this is going to not perform very well, considering Bitcoin would kind of pose a lot of stress over the altcoins and drag those altcoins down with it. So you would see in that scenario where Bitcoin would drop 20%, altcoins would all drop 40, 50, 60%, basically just because they're more volatile, they have more risk associated with them, and it really doesn't matter like what the fundamentals behind the project are. The coin is going to drop because Bitcoin's dropping, and it's just kind of how it works in crypto, unfortunately. But I would consider it a decent opportunity to start DCAing in. I wouldn't go all in here though. Obviously there isn't much support here. We have never seen these price levels before this week, so I would give it some time to develop, and we need some time to start recovering. I would say though, if we get back above this double bottom here where we held support, if we get back above that and start trending back up and break this downward resistance, then it would be very bullish for the price chart. So I'm just going to extend this resistance out a bit and show you guys what I mean with like a hypothetical scenario of what I would consider to be extremely bullish and confirmation that the downtrend has ended. So if we are able to come back up here, reclaim this level right here, roughly around 91 cents, and start holding it as support and trending back above this, and say, take out these highs, why would this be bullish? Because not only would we take out this resistance here, we would hold it for support, break above this resistance, and then take out some of these lower highs. And it doesn't matter how quickly how quickly this happens. I have it pretty rapid on my chart, but you could see, if it took much longer, that would probably be more bullish, considering that there's more support that is developed, right? It's kind of consolidating before it goes back up. So I would consider this to be a phenomenal look, considering that we would break above this downward resistance as well as reclaim this support. So if you see something like that in the price chart, I would get very excited. I would personally start accumulating a little bit more and staking that on their platform for those Looksrare rewards. So that being said, guys, I would say watch out for the downside though if Bitcoin is trending towards the low $20,000, because this is going to obviously be correlated to Bitcoin and most likely have a move greater in magnitude than Bitcoin. So for example, if Bitcoin's dropping 20%, I would expect Looksrare to drop 40% from here, just considering how the volatility is. and how that works in the crypto market. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I will see you in the next one.